Hi students, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed SI unit. The SI units classified into 3 units. First one is the base unit or fundamental unit. Second one is the supplementary unit. Third one is derived unit. SI units classified into 3 units. First one is the base unit or fundamental unit. Second one is the supplementary unit. Third one is derived unit. The first one is the base unit or fundamental units. In physical quantities, there are 7 fundamental units. 7 fundamental quantities are identified base quantities. This unit of these base quantities are called base units. There are 7 physical quantities. First one is the length, the fundamental physical quantity. Second one is the mass. Third one is the time. Fourth one is temperature. Fifth one is electric current. Sixth one is luminous intensity. And seventh one is amount of substance. There are 7 physical quantities are identified base quantities. How many quantities are base quantities? There are 7. First one is length, second one is mass, third one is time, fourth one is temperature, fifth one is electric current, sixth one is luminous intensity, seventh one is amount of substance. These 7 are the base units. Base quantities. There are 7 base quantities. The SF unit of 7 base quantities and symbol. The first one is the length. The length of the SI unit is the meter, is the unit. The symbol is M. The SI unit of mass is the kilogram. The symbol is kg. The SI unit of time is the second. The symbol is S. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The symbol is K. The SI unit of electric current is the ampere. The symbol is A. The SI unit of luminous intensity is the candela. The symbol is CD. The SI unit of amount of substance is mole. The symbol is MOL. The second one is supplementary unit. 2 physical quantities are identified supplementary quantities. The unit of these quantities are called supplementary unit. 2 physical quantities. 2 physical quantities means plane angle and solid angle are identified with the supplementary quantities. There are 2 physical quantities, plane angle and solid angle is the supplementary quantities. The unit of these quantities are called supplementary unit. These quantities are called supplementary units. Serial number 1, 2, plane angle and solid angle. The plane angle of SI unit is radian. The symbol is RAD. The second one is solid angle. The SI unit of solid angle, steradian. The symbol is SR. The third one is derived unit. Derived means it depends on the fundamental unit. It is called derived unit. The definition of derived unit: the units which are used to measure the derived physical quantity are called derived unit. For example, The velocity, displacement by time. The rate of displacement is called velocity. The change in displacement is called velocity. Displacement by time. The SI unit of displacement. Displacement means length. The length by time. The SI unit of length is meter. The symbol of meter m. Time is the second. Yes. Meter per second. The derived unit is the SI unit of velocity, meter per second. Next one is the force. The Newton. The more than example of the derived unit. Work, joule. More than is the example of the derived unit. The SI unit of classified into three types. First one is base units or fundamental unit. Second one is supplementary unit. Third one is derived unit. First one is the most important. There are 7 base quantities. First one is length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity of light, amount of substance. The important question is the midterm exams and semester exam. Another one is the supplementary angles are 2 types. First one is the plane angle and second one is the short angle. The 2 questions are important in midterm exams. The next one topic is advantage of SI units. First one is the base and supplementary units covers all branches of science and technology. Second one is all the units well defined. Third one is all the units are easily reproducible. There are multiples, submultiples, prefixes and symbols to express large and small values. The last one is the almost all countries in the world have adopted SI system. The first one is the base and supplementary units. There are 7 base units. The length, mass, time covers all branches. In diploma students, there are 4 branches. For example, civil, mechanical, EEE, EC. The civil, the base quantity used. For example, the distance of the 2 points. EEE is the current. Is the SI unit of amperes. Is the use of the SI system, all the branch of science and technology. Second one is the all the units well defined. There are multiples. Multiple means 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 square, 10 cube. Submultiples 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 3. And prefixes 10 to the power of 1 is the deci, centi, milli, macro, nano. And symbols to express large and small values. The deci 10 to the power of 1. The deci is the SI unit. The 10 to the power of minus 9 is the nano. The SI unit. The last point. Almost all countries in the world have adopted SI system. Present we use the system is SI system. Next one is the dimensions. The important topic in the units and dimensions is the dimensions. In physics, all concepts depends on dimensions. Okay, now the fundamental quantities or fundamental units. The length, mass, time. The fundamental units. The important of 3 length, mass, time is the depends on the dimension fundamentals. Length, for example, the length L, which is a length, the power of 1 is a fundamental physical quantity, fundamental unit. When the power of length is L, is the length, it represents length, is a fundamental unit. Second one, the power of L square. The power is raised is the L square, which represents a area. Represents a area, which is a derived unit. Next one, the power of L is raised, the length is raised, is the L cube, which represents a volume. Volume is a derived unit. Repeat once again the dimensions. There are three fundamental units: mass, length, time. First of all is the length. The power of L is the L. L is the base. Power is 1. Base L, length. The power is 1. The fundamental unit is the length. Second one is the power is raised. Is the L square. It represents a area. Is the derived unit. Next one is the power is raised L cube. Is the represent a length is the volume. It is a derived unit. L1, L square, L cube. The power is raised. L is the fundamental unit. L is the fundamental unit. Power is raised. Power is increased. Raised means increased. Power is raised. The definition of a dimension: the power of a fundamental unit which get raised a derived unit, which can raise it get a derived unit is called dimension. Repeat once again, the power of a fundamental unit. Power means L power of 1, L square, L cube. The power of a fundamental unit which gets raised a derived unit is called dimension. The definition of dimension: the power of a fundamental unit which is to be raised derived unit is known as dimension. Example. Repeat once again. Example. Length is the L power of 1 is the fundamental unit. Fundamental unit Fu is the fundamental unit. Next one is the L square. The power is raised. The power is raised. The L square. L square means area. L is the fundamental unit. The power is raised. Area. Area is a derived unit. Derived unit. The power of a fundamental unit. The power of a fundamental unit which is to be raised. Which is to be raised is the square. Raised derived unit is the area is the derived unit is known as dimension. The another one example: the length is raised 3, L cube is the volume. The power is raised is the L cube. The power of a fundamental unit. Fundamental unit L is the fundamental unit which is to be raised. Is the L cube is raised the derived unit. Volume is derived unit. Is known as dimension. Next one example: velocity is called displacement by time. Displacement by time. Displacement means length L. Time is t. L t to the power of -1. The dimension of velocity. What is the dimension of velocity? First of all, L. The length of the dimension L. L is L power of 1. The dimension of length. The dimension of length is equal 1. 1 means is the power equal to 1. Second one is the time. The dimension of time is called -1. Is the t to the power of -1. The power is -1. The more than example, use the dimensions. Okay, now repeat once again. Velocity, displacement by time. Displacement is the SI in this length, L by time. L power is 1. T inverse -1. The dimension of length. Dimension means the power. The power value is the dimension. The dimension of length is 1. And another one is the dimension of time is -1. The power is -1. This is the topic of dimension.